What if I told you that just one simple exercise done 100 times a day could reshape your legs, boost your endurance, improve your posture, and even speed up fat loss without stepping foot in a gym? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I put it to the test for 30 days, and the results might surprise you. Squats are often called the king of lower body exercises. But most people think you need weights, fancy machines, or complicated programs to see real changes. That's simply not true. Daily squats are one of the most accessible ways to build strength, tone your body, and boost your fitness, no equipment needed. In this video, I'm going to take you through exactly what happened when I committed to doing 100 squats every single day for 30 days. We'll break down the physical changes, the internal health benefits, the science behind it, the mistakes to avoid, and the real timeline of results. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for a simple but powerful challenge, this is something anyone can try. So, let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Why squats? Short explanation plus science. First, let's talk about why squats are such a game changer. Squats are a compound exercise, which means they engage multiple muscle groups at the same time. When you squat, you're working your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and even your core, including your lower back and abdominal muscles. It's not just a leg movement, it's a full body activation. Here's the important part. Because squats recruit so many muscles, they burn more calories, improve circulation, and stimulate muscle growth more effectively than many isolated exercises. According to fitness science, compound movements like squats trigger hormonal responses such as increased testosterone and growth hormone that support overall muscle development and fat loss. And the best part? You don't need any equipment, just your body weight, proper form, and consistency. Did you know that even professional athletes use body weight squats as part of their foundational training? That's how effective they are. Step number 2, the physical transformation. Weeks 1 to 4. Now, let's talk about the visible changes that happen over 30 days. In week 1, the first thing you'll notice is soreness, especially if you haven't trained your lower body in a while. This is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. It's normal and usually peaks 24 to 48 hours after a workout. By week 2, that soreness starts to fade and something else happens. Your posture improves. Your core and lower back get stronger, helping you stand taller and move better throughout the day. In week 3, you'll begin to notice toning in your thighs and glutes. Your legs feel firmer and squats start to feel more controlled. By week 4, if you've been consistent, the results are obvious. Better muscle definition, improved stamina, and possibly some fat loss if paired with a healthy lifestyle. The key here is consistency, not perfection. 100 squats might sound like a lot, but you can break them into manageable sets, for example, 4 sets of 25 throughout the day. Step number 3, internal health benefits. Cardio, posture, endurance. The changes aren't just external. Squatting daily also brings powerful internal health benefits. First, it improves blood circulation. Your legs contain some of the largest muscles in your body, and activating them daily helps pump blood more efficiently, reducing swelling and supporting heart health. Second, it strengthens your posture. By engaging your core and spinal erectors, squats support your lower back and help correct slouching. This is especially important if you spend hours sitting each day. Third, Daily squats enhance your respiratory endurance. Over time, you'll notice you're less winded during sets. That's because regular squatting increases lung capacity and trains you to breathe correctly. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you rise. Here's the key takeaway. Even though squats look simple, they work your body on multiple levels: muscular, cardiovascular, and postural, all at once. Step number 4, mobility, pain relief, and everyday function. Here's something most people don't realize. Squats can actually improve mobility and even help reduce joint pain when done with the correct technique. Regular squats stretch and strengthen the muscles around your hips and ankles, which improves your range of motion. For people who live sedentary lives, this can reverse stiffness in the lower back, knees, and hips. Over time, daily squats train your body to move the way it's meant to. Everyday activities like climbing stairs, picking things up, or sitting down start to feel easier. But here's the important part. Form matters. A neutral spine, knees tracking over your toes, and controlled depth are crucial. Done incorrectly, squats can strain your lower back or knees. Done correctly, they can actually support and protect those areas. So think of squats not just as a workout, but as a mobility and longevity tool for your body. Step number 5, variations and progression. Once you've built a solid foundation with classic squats, it's time to level up. Adding variety keeps your muscles guessing and prevents plateaus. Plie squats. Take a wide stance, turn your toes out, and lower down. This hits the inner thighs and glutes more intensely. Jump squats. Add an explosive jump at the top of each rep to increase power and cardio demand. Pulse squats. Stay low and pulse at the bottom to build muscular endurance. Weighted squats. If body weight becomes too easy, hold a dumbbell or wear a backpack for added resistance. Here's the key. Start simple, master the basics, and progress gradually. Jumping straight into heavy weights without proper form is a fast track to injury. But smart progression builds lasting strength, common mistakes, and safety tips. Before you start, let's clear up a few common mistakes people make with daily squats. Rounding the back. This puts pressure on your spine. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged. Knees collapsing inward. Focus on pushing them outward to protect your knees. Shallow squats. Going only halfway won't give you the full benefit. Aim for thighs parallel to the floor. Rushing through reps, quality matters more than speed. Controlled movements build strength and prevent injury. And remember, if you have existing knee or back issues, consult a professional before starting. Listen to your body. Pain is a signal, not a challenge. 100 squats a day might seem simple, but over 30 days, the impact is powerful. You're not just building stronger legs, you're improving your posture, endurance, mobility, and overall fitness. The best part? You don't need a gym, just your body, a bit of time, and the commitment to stay consistent. Start with smaller sets, focus on form, and you'll be amazed at the difference a single exercise can make. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you're starting the 30-day squat challenge. I'd love to hear your results. And if you want more simple, science-backed fitness challenges like this, subscribe and check out my video on 40 squats daily. It's on the screen right now. Let's keep building a stronger, healthier you, one day at a time.